Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper, and we are actually editing a YouTube video, and iMovie is really hating me right now. It's taking like 50 years to export this video, but keep a lookout for it if this one gets posted first. We're trying out 4 different funky Italian pasta shapes from Home Goods in that video, but me and Zena just officially got our last Christmas present. I know, Christmas was a long time ago, but my parents got me this 3-month subscription to Try Treats, Explore Through Food. So this is our final box. We got a 3-month subscription. This is the last one. Honestly, we haven't even finished the last month's box, but we ate all the big stuff out of it. Obviously, we're still gonna eat the rest. But Zena, particularly, is very excited to see what's in this month's box. Zena, what's in here? This is more food. This is more food. What's in here? Huh? What's in here? Huh? What's in here? Holy guacamole, what's in there? Okay, so this is what the inside of the Try Treats boxes look like. And it looks like, again, we have a theme this month. The first month we didn't have a theme, but last month we did, and right, Zena is very excited to get in here. Oh, these came out. Zena, there was stuff going everywhere. There was stuff going everywhere. Okay, there is that. There's some cards. So these are the snacks we got this month. So first, oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try these. I can already tell they must be some sort of like veggie chip. This is the best box yet because there's not a bunch of like tiny stuff. It's all like, they're all still sample sizes, but they are not like super tiny, like 20 different hard candies rolling around in the bottom. So now let's look at the theme for this month's box. So, it's from Japan. So it does give us a recipe. That is kind of funny because there's no way that I'm gonna make sushi rolls. Maybe with the imitation crab. Mr. Cameraman and me and his mom do like fake crab, like in Crab Ragoons. So, that's very, very pretty. Mount Fuji in Japan. Now this says, this month's treats come to you from Japan, an enigmatic country located in Asia. So it gives you a whole little spiel about where your treats come from. And then it gives you some facts, like, did you know, because I didn't, that Japan consists of over 6,800 different islands? Holy guacamole. And Japanese trains are among the world's most punctual. Their average daily delay is just 18 seconds. Haiku pottery, which was invented in Japan, consists of only 3 lines and is the world's shortest poetic form. Sorry, I said pottery. It's poetic. Poetry. There's 127 million people that live in Japan. Wowza. They speak Japanese. The capital is Tokyo. It's a constitutional monarchy. Coolio. So, now let's look at the actual snacks. So we have Shinshu bean paste, Maron pie, butter cookie, Nigata jikomi, Mugi chocolate, big marshmallow, Ramune candy, Sapporo potato vegetable, veggie taberu, and cheese arrayur. I probably mispronounced most of those, but let's take a look at them and see what me and Zena are gonna want to eat first. Well, I already know what we want to eat first. We want to eat these little veggie chips. These are super, super cute. So we have, in this month, these veggie chips. These appear to be some kind of chip, or on the back it calls it a wheat cracker that tastes like cheese. And then this is another form. They call it baked cookie vegetable. That's what it says on the back. Then we have this Moogie chocolate. And then we have Pandoro brand butter cookie in a cute little panda cracker. Panda package. My mind is not working today. This looks funky. This must be the big marshmallow. Interesting. I'll be interested to see if it's just a normal marshmallow or if it has some funky flavor. Then right here we have Maruda, Natsukashi Ramune. Oh, so it's I thought it was a beverage. It's just a powder in there. Or it looks like there's little, like, discs. Almost looks like Smarties, maybe. Not sure, but it's in like a little bottle kind of thing. Then we have 2 unlabeled. This feels kind of sticky and squishy. And then these look like some sort of cracker. Drop in our treats before we even get to eat them. And then this is labeled, but in a language I can't read. So that was our short little unboxing video of our last Try Treats box. I definitely recommend, if you don't know what to get somebody for their birthday or Christmas or literally any occasion and they like food, I definitely recommend a Try Treats subscription. I mean, I have loved getting all of these snacks over the last couple of months. Zena really likes to try them with me. So, if you want to see me and Zena try all these, or cook something with these, or just eat them all really fast, I don't really know. But if you want to see us do anything with these, tell us about it in the comments below. If you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.